Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I request you to please bring the house in order, sir. Sir, because we also need to speak on the appropriation bill, sir. One major opposition have got the chance to speak, sir. And if they want to have a mic to have a clarification, so a mic can be given to them, and then we can continue the house, sir. Because, sir, as per the rule position, sir, if a member's name is mentioned, then that member has a right. Sir, let me clarify, sir. Sir, lastly, when Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Saab and the Leader of the House have spoken, that time they took the name of Sabita Indra Reddy, Madam. So she has the right to clarify because her name was mentioned. So I think we should give her a mic and let the house continue, sir. Everybody can get a chance. This is my opinion, sir. We have to have our right also, sir. We also need to speak on the demand. They also have the right. Let the mic be given to them. They will speak for 1-2 minutes. Whatever clarification they want to have, they will have it. Then we can continue. BJP can speak. Then I can speak. Then CPI can also speak, and we can pass the appropriation bill, sir. It is very important, sir.
Adhyaksha,